Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Mobius speedrun, your favourite learning management system from the one and only UNSW. Today we have MATH1131 Lab Test 2, the practice version obviously, and let's see if we can get it done in under 10 minutes. Here we go.
World record.
I got Tabarak in chat today to give us that moral support. A equals 3 sine x squared over 2 bracket minus sine x over 2. Cheeky 1x for there for good measure. We go 3x minus 2. Yep, looking pretty good. B equals diff A with respect to x. And we got C equals F solve B. Oh, or not. Oh yeah, x equals 1.2. Fumbling the bag as always. That's what you can count on me for. And we got the second derivative. If we can type D dash equals diff B with respect to x, and then E equals eval D with x equaling C. Beautiful. First question done in about a minute. That's not too bad for pace. Cosec x is C S. Fumbling my keyboard today as always, you love to see it. Exp x, and we go A dash equals bracket 4 times sec x, another bracket, over 1 plus exp x squared.
Euro equals.
Oh, I did put an equal, thank you to bar for the notice. Here, we want to do b dot equals int a x equals 0 dot pi on 4. Close those up. C equals evalif b. That was it. I didn't even need the C equals.
Hurry up.
Cause I can't even copy today, bro. It's cold. A equals sine theta. This is not a bad question. Look at that one. But if I just fumbled the keyboard, I guess it is. Theta times 5 equals with plots. And this is where it all came apart last time. Polar plots. Cause why couldn't I think of it? If it shows up, oh, it did show up this time. Beautiful, nice at the top, just how we like to see it. A dash equals 2 times x3 minus 27 times x squared plus 84 times x minus 15 equals, hopefully we typed that right, 2x3 minus 27x minus x. Yep, beautiful. So we just do b dash equals diff A with respect to x 6x squared. Then we want to just solve B. We get 7 and 2 as we love to see it. Beautiful in there, right in chat. There we go. And then we get another one. A equals ABS for your beautiful absolute value signs. Not a bad one for this speedrun as well. We get 3 times x squared. I've never seen one this short actually. We want to enable plots if it loads. Beautiful. Night before math exams. Probably not the ideal situation for this. However, we will move on. X dot negative 3 dot negative 1 if I can type. That's not too bad. We want to put them squiggly brackets in. Negative 3 comma negative 1 comma. Do we see another point? Yes, we will. We will need to differentiate. First of all, we'll do b dash equals diff A with respect to x. Then we will solve for b. If I can even type today. Solving for b. What do we get? If it loads, please load. We get a cheeky negative 2, which is another relevant point. The guarantee to have both a maximum and a minimum because it is continuous on a closed interval. And the maximum value for this, if we substitute negative 2 into, so if we substitute x equals negative 2 into a, we get, oh my god, got the cheeky equal sign. And I can't write today. We get 4, absolute value of 4, maximum value is 4, minimum value is 0. Minimum value
By
happens
looking at it.
on a stationary point. I could have just looked at it. You are correct. Does happen on a stationary point. Does happen on an end point. And we move on. Not the best time for that one. We got A and D. Hopefully we get one. We do. We know this ln x is an A. Cheeky A in chat. We get A equals negative x times y squared plus 4 times x equals 5.
You make up the time at the end.
And then b dash e x. This is not the best equation for this one. I've seen shorter ones. However, we do persevere. X minus 1 squared plus y squared plus x times y equals 20. X plus 1 y is, yep, looking pretty good. And then we want to do with plots, and then implicit plots. We want to put our set notation. I think it's set notation, but I don't know. I'll learn maybe so make a future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the most I've ever seen. Of course, it's in a speed run. You love to see it. Control N. We go A dash equals z to the power of 5 minus 3 times z to the power of 3 minus 2 times z to the power of 2. Very satisfying. Minus 3 to top it all off. And then if it loads, it will be great. P dash equals. We're going to put our brackets F solve. Put our smaller brackets A complex, because we are on the complex plane now. Because look at us. Nice complex number students. Now we want the principal arguments. We want to do argument tilde key, because who doesn't love a cheeky tilde? Put a B in there, because why not? Find the maximum number, as you do. Put them in there, copy paste, call it a day. Moving on. So you want to do z equals, no, this is not most efficient. You know what, I'll do this faster just for the speed run. 4 over 6 is 2 over 3. Argument of negative 3 on 4 plus 1 on 3. We get, if it wants to load, negative 5 times pi on 12. Now if we want to do argzw, we want to do negative 3 on 4 minus 1 on 3. You are right, I could have just changed it, but I didn't because I'm stupid. Now we get 11 times pi on 12. We want to do z to the power of 5, so we want to do 4 to the power of 5 times...
You can just write the equation in there, you don't have to solve it.
I do know that, but you know what, just for completeness sake, 4 to the power of 5, 3, 6, 4, whatever, call it a day. And we want to do 4 to the power of 5 to the power of 3, put a divide sign in there, 1 to 8, 1 to all over 27, argz, so you want to do 5 times negative 3 slash 4, put that in brackets, and then we want to add that to 4 times 1 on 3.
You're supposed to put the... yeah.
I should have just done it my normal way. I don't know why I made it myself special. I flew off my other way faster. Anyway. We'll take that as a valid answer. 5 times pi on 12.
I just change that to a minus, yes.
3 times z minus the w says the same. Hopefully that's a valid answer. Oh, we need an actual another plus 2. Look at us. 5.
No, you... Oh, yeah.
Pi on 12.
Oh, yeah.
You
got a minute.
Alright, so this is a nice easy one if you know the formula. The form is pretty simple. Minus 16 times x plus
64 plus 36.
If I can just do basic
100.
math, which I can't. Obviously, I should have known that. Don't judge me. If anyone ever sees this, boom, boom, boom. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the last time I've ever seen this one. 5, 4, negative 7. Beautiful in chat today, guys. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds. So we got NS at the beginning. We got boom, 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 boom. You got a unique solution. And we got boom, 1, 2. Look at me, 2 parameters, and with a cheeky time of 50 seconds, we've got a 20
Oh, yeah.
out of 20. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in to another UNSW Mobius speedrun. We hope you enjoyed it with a time of 9 minutes and 45 seconds on the dot. We can look at the replay to see exactly how much. We have completed the Mathematics Math1131 1141 Lab Test 2. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.